Welcome to another enlightening episode of the Yeeflow tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a real-world business scenario where Yeeflow form actions shine, creating custom approval and reject buttons on an approval forms task page. Imagine you're managing a complex approval process. You need an efficient way to handle tasks and decisions. Yeeflow form actions have got you covered. Let's follow the steps to set up a seamless approval workflow using form actions. To start, open the Yeeflow Approval Form Designer and navigate to the task form. First things first, we'll remove the default action panel to create a clean slate. Now let's add the stars of our show, custom approve, and reject buttons. Go to the Controls panel. Under the General Components column, drag and drop two button controls into the container control on top of the task form canvas. Label the first button Approve and the second button Reject. Change the styles of those two buttons to make the Approve button as green and the Reject button as red. And let's not forget the Add Comments field for context. Next, in the Controls panel, under the Basic Fields column, drag and drop a multiple line control onto the task form. Change the title of the control to Add Comments. In the Controls panel on the left side, click on Edit button to change the associated variable. For both Add Comments and Simple Title controls, rename the field ID and fill a field name. Here, we also turn off the synchronous title. With the form elements in place, it's time to set up the magic form actions. Click the Actions button in the top right corner to reveal the Actions Management window. Create a new action named Custom Approve. Now let's add a Submit Form step to the Custom Approve action. In the Submit Form Step Settings panel, choose Form Submit /Task Approve /Task Complete as the submit type. In the Task Settings section of the Submit Form Step Settings panel, click the Editor icon next to the task comment to open the Expression Editor window. Click the Expression button and select Workflow Variables from the pop-up window. Then, choose Custom Comments from the list of variables and click Insert to add this variable. Click OK to close the window. By completing these steps, the content entered in the Custom Comments field will be set as the comment for the task result when the Approve button is clicked. Finally, click the Save button to save the settings of this Submit Form step. Associate the Custom Approve action with the Approve button. Select the Approve button from the Form Designer. Under the Content tab, expand the action group and choose the Custom Approve action we just created. This will trigger the Custom Approve action when the task owner clicks the Approve button. Next up, let's handle rejections with finesse, introducing the Custom Reject action. Add a Confirm dialog step to prompt for Add Comments control. From the Execution Condition settings, open the Expression Editor and set the Custom Comments variable as empty. Toggle on the Continue Next Step when condition is not met option to proceed to the next step when comments are present. Set the Confirm question with text Please enter the reason of rejection. This way, a dialog asking the task owner to enter comments will show up if the Custom Comments variable is empty. Follow it up with a Submit Form step for rejection. In the Execution Condition settings, set the condition as the Custom Comments variable not equal to empty. From the Submit type, select the Reject option. Under Task Comment settings, use the Expression Editor to set the task comment as the Custom Comments variable. This ensures that the custom comments entered by the task owner will be added as the task comment when rejecting the task. Now, assign the Custom Reject action to the Reject button. Select the Reject button from the Form Designer. Under the Content tab, find and expand the action group. Select the Custom Reject action from the Action drop-down list. With our form actions in place, it's time to see the magic in action. Open the submitted form. When clicking Reject triggers a comment prompt before moving forward. Click Approve. The task advances with the added comments. And there you have it. With Yeeflow form actions, you've streamlined your approval workflow like a pro. Stay tuned for more business scenarios and insights in the Yeeflow tutorial series.